Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As a noodle lover, I prefer to eat handmade noodles, compared with industrial noodles on the market. Handmade noodles have no additives and preservatives, so they are healthier. Making noodles at home is easy. Let's get started. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 150 milliliters of water. The amount of water depends on the water absorption of the flour. Add salt to the flour first. Then add water. While adding water, stir with chopsticks until the water is used up. Knead into a dough with your hands. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on the workboard. Place the rested dough on it. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Take one part. Knead it for a while. Roll it into a thin cake slowly with a rolling pin. Just like this. Sprinkle more flour on the cake to make sure every part is covered with flour. Fold the cake. No matter how wide or narrow it is. Just like this. Then use a knife or scraper to cut it evenly into strips. Top with some flour. Then open each strip. Do the same for the rest dough. Handmade noodles are ready. They can be kept in the freezer for at least a week. You can use them to make fried noodles, soup noodles, cold noodles, and any other noodle recipes you love. If you like today's handmade noodles, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.